here. Wow Wow Wubsy is coming up next. But first, it's puzzle time! Time to master a memory game. First, we need to find the two yellow birds. If you see them, tell me where they are.
There's one.
Right you are. And where is the other one?
It's right there.
Indeed. You've got quite an eagle eye. Now, remember where the yellow birds are, because when we come back, we're going to put your memory to the test. It's puzzle time. Are you ready for the Moose Moose memory game?
Yay!
Okay. Do you remember which two cards have yellow birds on them?
That one.
Yes. And where's the matching yellow bird? Is it this one?
No.
Where is that other yellow bird?
There.
That's it. You did it. You found the two yellow birds. Such a pretty pair. Your memory is remarkable. That is to say, great. Now it's time for Wow Wow Wubsy.